Let's fill out the Nebraska cat bill of sale together, so both sides walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the cat's details. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the cat. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. Specifics make a stronger record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now, the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now, the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you buy a cat in this state and your new pet becomes ill, here's what you need to know. First, the illness must occur within 7 business days after the cat is delivered to you. That is your window for the health guarantee to apply. Second, once a veterinarian diagnoses the illness, you have 2 business days to notify the seller. So act quickly, because that clock starts ticking the moment you get that diagnosis. Keep your paperwork organized, hold on to your bill of sale, and make sure you have your vet's contact information ready to go. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.